Welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a Facebook event. Let's start. At first you have to open the Facebook app, and in here go to the menu option. Now scroll down and tap on events, and here tap on the plus icon, and right now they will ask you to add your event a name. For example, I'll put tutorial. Now they'll ask you to set date and time. For example, I'll add 10 February. Now tap on set, and I'll also add time, for example. Now tap on set, and here tap on done. And in here they'll ask you, is it in personal or virtual? Now tap on here. If you guys want to make your event in person, then you have to enter a location. But if you guys want to add it in virtual, then tap on here. And yeah, here you guys can see a lot of options. You guys can choose any of them. Now I'll choose messenger rooms, for example. Now tap on done, and here they'll ask you who can see it. If you guys want to make a private event, then you have to put right here. But if you guys want to make it on public, then tap on here, and right now tap on done. And here they'll ask you what are the details. Now I will put the details, for example. Now tap on create event. So this is the event that I have created right now. And you guys can also share this to your friends with a note like this. And here, let's go back. See how easy it is? In that way, you guys can also make a Facebook event. Hope this video helped you. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Until next time, bye bye.